Just coming outside this morning, checking the damage to my car. I don't know what this is right here. I'll try to back it up. But it has a opening, so it must be something that fluids that go in there, but it's completely knocked out of wherever it's supposed to be. I didn't notice that yesterday. I thought it was just a bumper, so I don't even know if my car is drivable. Shit. I'm gonna switch this out anyways, but I don't know. I gotta take this off. I ain't seeing nothing really that bad. Gladys might be alright. She is 31. Yeah, boy. That's one problem down. Finally, yo. Damn. Shit ain't that bad though. This looks like the only thing knocked out of place. And the motherfucking light. I just gotta get this dent out. That ain't nothing. Well, this shit fixed by tonight. What the fuck I tell y'all? By the end of the day, man, the dent is out. As you can see, little scratches there. I mean, I can switch the lens out any time. Light bulb still working there. Anybody can tell me what the fuck this is though? It was right under here. That's where you hit. I screwed it out from here, but I think it go in here. I don't know what the fuck it is though. That nigga knocked my shit loose. I need to tell insurance so I get some money. New rotor, dent fix. About to pop that shit right back in. It's just a little clip in. Come on, we right back on the road tomorrow. All right, my phone about to die, so I gotta do this quick. But got brakes and rotors done, switched out. Put back the air box. Got the dent out of the motherfucking bumper. All we gotta do is put that shit back in. Right now, we was draining the motherfucking transmission fluid. So I'm about to show you how to do a transmission fluid replacement. I mean, no, transmission oil change. God damn. I'm trying to do this quick so my phone won't die. All right. The hole is right there leaking. I got the drain plug in my hand. It should look like this. 11 millimeters. Yeah. All right, yeah. Hold on. Make sure it screws in flush. Tighten that bad boy all the way. I'm gonna show you real quick before my phone died, but that's the pan right here. Boom. Those only like 10 millimeter screws to get that pan, drip pan off. Transmission hole goes into this hole right here where this dipstick is. Pull it out. I'm gonna go get the funnel. I'm gonna fill it up and I'm gonna show y'all right after. This is the level, so you can check the levels of it and shit. I ain't putting nothing in there, so there's nothing in there, but hold on. All right, it's kind of hard for, I'm spilling. It's kind of hard for me to show y'all, but y'all see right there, got my little special funnel. Put about 4 or 5 quarts of transmission fluid in that thing. We're about to start it up after I get all in there. Where are my battery? Start it up. See how that thing powering. You should be doing transmission oil changes just as much as you do your regular oil change. Oh yeah, make sure you check the levels. I'll show you one more time to wipe it off. Level. Look. Down in there. And just like that, you're perfectly good. I'm gonna start that bitch up. All right, now to see if we did something right or wrong. Finishing touches. Check for leaks. CFL. Yeah, I did not hear that first click. See if it's leaking. What did I tell y'all? We don't play no weird man thing, man. New brakes and rotors. I ain't feel like popping the shit all the way back in, but you see my shit not fucked up. I'll replace that light some other time. We back on road, man. Transmission replacement, transmission oil replacement, brakes and rotor replacement. We fix the bumper, put the airbox back. Come on, it's a mechanic job.